Welcome to Proshno Vilash, where we put your knowledge to the test. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Amravati. Explanation: Andhra Pradesh announced Amravati as its capital in 2015 after Telangana was separated. Which river is known as the lifeline of Andhra Pradesh? Godavari. Explanation: Godavari is the largest river in Andhra Pradesh and is often called the Dakshina Ganga. Andhra Pradesh was formed in which year? (1953). Explanation: Andhra Pradesh was the first state formed on a linguistic basis, Telugu language, in 1953 with Kurnool as the capital. Which dance form is famous in Andhra Pradesh? Kuchipudi. Explanation: Kuchipudi is a classical dance form that originated in the Kuchipudi village of Andhra Pradesh. Which city is known as the City of Destiny? Vishakhapatnam. Explanation: Vishakhapatnam, due to its natural beauty and growing economy, is popularly called the City of Destiny. Sriharikota, the satellite launching station, is located in which district? Nellore. Explanation: Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh is home to ISRO's main spaceport, the Satish Dhawan Space Center. Which famous temple is located at Thirumal? Venkateshwar Temple. Explanation: The Thirumal Venkateshwar Temple is one of the richest and most visited temples in India. Pulicat Lake is famous for which activity? Bird watching. Explanation: Pulicat Lake is a bird sanctuary and the second largest brackish water lagoon in India. Which fort is located in Andhra Pradesh? Kondapalli Fort. Explanation: Kondapalli Fort near Vijayawada is a historic fort famous for its wooden toys. The official language of Andhra Pradesh is Telugu. Explanation: Telugu is the official and most widely spoken language of Andhra Pradesh. Who was the first Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Tanguturi Prakasam. Explanation: Tanguturi Prakasam was the first CM when Andhra State was formed in 1953. Which dam is built on Krishna River in Andhra Pradesh? Srishalam Dam. Explanation: Srishalam Dam is a major multipurpose project built across the Krishna River. Which port is the largest in Andhra Pradesh? Vishakhapatnam Port. Explanation: Vishakhapatnam Port is one of the largest ports in India and handles both cargo and naval operations. Which hill station is known as the Ooty of Andhra Pradesh? Araku Valley. Explanation: Araku Valley in Vishakhapatnam district is a popular hill station known for its coffee plantations. Which freedom fighter is known as Andhra Kesari? Tanguturi Prakasam. Explanation: Tanguturi Prakasam earned the title Andhra Kesari for his fearless role in the freedom struggle. Who is known as the Robin Hood of Andhra Pradesh? Alluri Sitaram Raju. Explanation: He led the Rump rebellion against the British and is remembered as a tribal hero. Which city is called the spiritual capital of Andhra Pradesh? Tirupati. Explanation: Tirupati is known for the Thirumal temple and is considered the spiritual capital of the state. Which type of climate is mostly found in Andhra Pradesh? Tropical climate. Explanation: Due to its coastal location, Andhra Pradesh mostly has a tropical climate. Which crop is called the rice ball of Andhra Pradesh? Paddy. Explanation: Andhra Pradesh is a major producer of rice and is often called the rice ball of the south. Which festival is most famous in Andhra Pradesh? Ugadi. Explanation: Ugadi marks the Telugu New Year and is widely celebrated in Andhra Pradesh. Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Andhra Pradesh? Nagarjun Sagar Srisailam Sanctuary. Explanation: It is the largest tiger reserve in India. Which mineral is largely produced in Andhra Pradesh? Bauxite. Explanation: Andhra Pradesh has large reserves of bauxite, especially in the eastern Ghats. Which dance drama is famous in Andhra Pradesh? Vidhi Natkam. Explanation: Vidhi Natkam is a traditional folk theatre performed in villages of Andhra Pradesh. Which is the state bird of Andhra Pradesh? Indian roller. Explanation: The Indian roller, locally called Pala Pitta, is the state bird of Andhra Pradesh. Which airport is the busiest in Andhra Pradesh? Vishakhapatnam Airport. Explanation: Vishakhapatnam International Airport handles the maximum air traffic in Andhra Pradesh. Dhanyavadalu for watching this state-wise GK series. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment the next state you want.